If you're not pooping every day, you're considered constipated.
Okay, one.
Yeah. If you're not pooping every day, that's one of the biggest things. And some people can still be constipated and poop every day.
Okay.
It's
Mm-hmm.
because they're not actually completely clearing out the system.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So again, they're not voiding their system, so it can swell up and cause issues. But the other thing that actually happens with digestion when you are not pooping properly, when you're not pooping every day, you're not completely voiding your colon and getting everything out, is that it emotionally stops you. So there's an emotional piece. Either you're not doing activities, you feel bloated, like the uncomfortable bloated feeling usually comes with constipation as well.
Yeah.
The
True.
not feeling well, it can lead to a couple of different diseases which are not fun, but also just not feeling good. When you don't feel good, you don't do activities that you need to be doing. I talk to a lot of business owners, right? And business owners, it's important. Your body is communicating with you. If you're taking a nap in the afternoon, you're probably not making the sales calls you need to.
Mm-hmm.
Or
Mm-hmm.
if your body doesn't feel good, you're probably not showing up on a client call the way you need to. So therefore, it actually translates to making less money.